right, we're bringing in a cup of our strawberry frosting in our bowl. Next, I'm gonna bring in my 8 ounces of Cool Whip. I'll get this open, and we're gonna use this whole container of Cool Whip and put it right in there with our strawberry frosting. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious no-bake treat that is so tasty and so cute too. All right, and we're just gonna mix these two together until we get like a strawberry Cool Whip. Oh my goodness. Now for this recipe, you can use whatever frosting you like. I just think the strawberry is so tasty and so delicious. So let's just make sure we get this nice and whisked together. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that pink is. Yummy. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. We're gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna bring in another bowl and another whisk. And this time we're gonna add our instant cheesecake pudding, 1 small box of instant pudding. And then we're gonna add some cold milk to this. We have a 12-ounce bottle of milk, and we're gonna use that whole bottle. Oh my goodness. And just like the frosting, you can use whatever flavor of pudding you like, and we are just gonna whisk this together until that pudding mix starts to thicken up. Oh my goodness, cheesecake and strawberry, doesn't get any better than that. All right, this is ready. We're gonna bring back in our Cool Whip frosting mixture. Just get all that out of the whisk. And then now we are gonna go ahead and put this entire mixture in with our pudding. Cheesecake strawberry, oh my. Okay, let's get all of that out. It's gonna be so tasty and so easy. All right, now we just gotta fold everything together. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. This is actually my first time trying this recipe, but I love all the ingredients of it, so I just know that it's gonna be so yummy and fruity and just everything I want in a no-bake dessert.
Smells so good.
Yeah. All right, that is ready. We're gonna put this to the side. And I have here my mini graham cracker crust. Now, like I always say, you can use a large graham cracker crust, but I am doing some mini servings for easy transportation. And we're gonna go ahead and grab a scoop. This is an ice cream scoop, and we're gonna scoop our fluff right into our mini graham crackers. Oh my goodness. This fluff smells so delicious. I cannot wait to try this. It would be so good if you did like a chocolate frosting with this, or even a cream cheese frosting to really up the cheesecake flavors. Oh, but I cannot wait. I love strawberry and cheesecake together, so this is gonna be my favorite combination. All right, let's finish this up. All right, these are nice and filled, and of course, we have to top it with some fresh strawberry slices. I'm just gonna put one little beautiful slice on top of each little pie. This is obviously optional, but I just think it adds such a great little kind of design to our little mini pies. Oh, imagine how fun these would be for like a baby shower or maybe Sunday dessert. They are so special. The kids can help you make them because, you know, all you're doing is mixing a few things in the bowls, and look how elegant they are. You can even decorate them for a holiday if that's what you're making them for, but I think keeping it classic looks that much more elegant. Perfect. All right, and these just need to set in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Oh my, these look absolutely delicious. It's time to give it a taste. Look how fun that is. Okay, let's go ahead and try to get some of that crust in our, oh yeah, a little bit of crust, a little bit of filling. It's like a strawberry and cream delight. Oh, it is so good.